Hey guys, welcome to CJ Vlogs, and today I'll be showing you the Thunder Purple color variant of OnePlus 16. I know, a lot of videos are already out there and a lot of videos will very soon be live as soon as the media embargo for the Indian YouTubers lift. But most of them will not focus on the most important facet of the Thunder Purple color variant of OnePlus 60, and that is the color. There's literally no other difference between this and a regular OnePlus 60. And if you are interested in the color, do watch this video till the end so that it helps you make the right purchase decision. I have taken different B-roll shots of OnePlus 60 Thunder Purple color variant in different lighting conditions so that you can see whether it's to your suiting, to your liking or not. And then you can buy it tomorrow after the sale starts in India. So without further ado, let's roll the clip. Guys, I hope you liked the color of OnePlus 60 and the video clip montage that I put together for you guys. I really like the Thunder Purple variant color of OnePlus 60 because it's quite different. No other phone in India is carrying the same finish as the OnePlus Thunder Purple variant. If you like to have unique things, the Thunder Purple variant of OnePlus 60 is a must buy for you guys, and you should buy it tomorrow from Amazon.in or OnePlus.in or from the offline stores of OnePlus. So that's all for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit that like button. Every like matters, and subscribe for more videos like this. But before I go,